last Saturday, after a hard-earned football match winning in the rain. I was in my desk in my room, thinking about buying a camera, and I've been thinking about this for a few weeks now, but everywhere I look, they're so expensive. Then, one of my mates told me about GoPros and that they're easier to film with. So I go onto Amazon and search up GoPros. Scroll down a bit, and I see over £200, and I see a good one. Some of them are good. And I find this one, Crosstour Action Camera, 4K Wi-Fi, and I click on it. It looks pretty good to me, at a cheap price as well. If I don't like it. So then I asked my mum and dad if they can buy it, and they checked it and all that, and they seemed okay with it. So I got out some of my birthday money that I had left from my birthday, and gave my mum the money to pay for it on Amazon. And then we wait. So guys, here we have it. I've already opened a bit because I'm too eager to open it, but let's open it up more. So here, it's got the stuff in it. Open that box there. Now I've opened it, it says that the manual and all that, the action camera bit. Now here, I see the GoPro for the first time. Looks really cool. And here the guide to like how you work it and all that stuff. And then I find all the accessories. Looks quite cool, so I'm just going to open it all up. Okay guys, that is it from me showing you all about my GoPro that I just got. I'm probably not going to do a video on it with it for ages, because like a few weeks at least, because I need to like get used to it, like try it out a bit. But yeah, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video, comment, do all the good stuff. Thanks for watching. Peace.